Hi, I'm Benjamin, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to set up offline device alerts for your Airtame screens. Now with these device alerts, you will be notified via email if one or more devices goes offline for a certain period. This is really useful if you might have an issue with the network, or if you actually have a power outage, so the Airtame screen can no longer receive sufficient power. In these emails, you will be notified of exactly what devices are affected and when they stop being able to connect to the internet. So that allows you to very easily troubleshoot what the issue might be. Let me show you how to set it up. Inside of your Airtame cloud account, make sure to go to the gear icon in the bottom left and select Device Alerts. From here, enable the feature and then type in your email address. You can then select how long a device must be offline for before you get notified by email. And if you don't want to receive emails regarding this outside of normal working hours, you can actually set up a custom schedule for when these emails are allowed to be sent to you. Once you've set everything up, you just hit save and the configuration is saved. If a device goes offline, you will be notified via email, and it will look something like this. So the email will contain a table listing both the group name, the device name, the IP address, and the last online time slot. So this allows you to know exactly what devices are being affected, which will hopefully speed up the troubleshooting process. So this has been a short introduction into how to set up offline device alerts. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.